Cherry cream cheese cookies made from leftover cream cheese frosting. If you'd like to make this frosting recipe from scratch, there's a link to the recipe video in the description box below. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we're gonna need 1 cup of your leftover cream cheese frosting, 2 to 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon plus 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Some cherries for decoration, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8 of a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of liquid red food coloring. In a medium to large bowl, we added the egg to the cream cheese frosting. Add the baking soda. The red food coloring. And the vanilla. Mix together to break up the yolk of the egg. Mix in the flour in 2 to 3 batches until the mixture comes together. Make the mixture into small balls and place onto a greased baking tray. The cookies should have at least 2 to 3 inches apart from each other. If you're using a small baking tray, keep the remaining cookie dough into the refrigerator until you've used up all the dough. Wet your finger and use it to make indentation into the cookies. Place a piece of cherry into the indentation of each cookies. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to cool. Lightly dust the cookies with some confectioner sugar. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes.